We're done with dinner here at 74 Cafe. And itutuloy namin yung shoot ng Unspokenly. So,
In fairness sa coffee. Sarap, guys. Kain niyo na to.
flash na lang kami ng photos ng mga
Hindi naman halatang
snaps
masarap
kanina.
kasi naubos namin lahat. Oh. Gusto mo yun?
For our next question here sa Unspokenly episode, paano naman yung schools mo? I just want to know that kasi since we
Iba
were
yung ano natin nun eh.
yung curriculums.
Oo, lakihan na.
Oo. Yung high school 4
Oo.
years lang, but for you 6 years na yung
Oo,
high school.
umabot na ako sa K-12.
So ayun. Can you share your story?
Based sa journey ko ng high school, kasi hindi rin siya ganun ka-okay. No? One time, nag-try ako mag-cutting. Nahuli ako ng... Nag-stop ako nun nung grade 8 kasi ayun yung time na medyo pasaway ka na. Ano ka na nun eh, parang ayun yung mapusok na ano ka na. Tutukso ka na ng mga kaibigan mo. Binibigay ka.
Parang as a kid, you're thinking na medyo adult na ako, kaya ko na mag-decide on my own.
Oo, yung ganun na yung mga... One day na yan, hindi niya naranasan.
She's trying to make you guys aware of what she did when she was in school.